All right, welcome guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. And I am here in this channel. I'm going to show you one thing you can actually do with your YouTube channel. All right, so a whole lot of you have YouTube channels. Maybe you have more than one or two, and you want to sell one out. However, you are scared that on selling one out, you may compromise your email. Yes, this video is seeking to educate you on how you can actually sell out one YouTube channel without compromising your email, or rather, I would say how to move one YouTube account from one email to another. All right, so let's go ahead and see how that can be done in this video. However, before I start my tutorial, I'd like to inform you if this is the first time you've come to this channel, please do well to hit the red subscribe button. And if this video gives you information you like and you like what is going on this channel, please do well to like this video and share our videos to other people, other members of the public. You may help someone you may not know. All right, so let's go ahead. The first thing you're going to have to do is to come over to the bottom side of this page. Once you have visited your YouTube studio on your web on your desktop version, all right? Once you visit your YouTube studio, the first thing you're going to have to do is to come here and click on settings. All right, when you click on settings, you wait for the settings tab to open. Okay, the settings tab has opened. So you are going to permissions. You have to come over here to permissions. And when you click on permissions, it is going to open this. All right. So once it opens this, the next thing you're going to do is you need to invite someone. Now, this um, email nigerportal8@gmail.com is the owner of this account already. All right. So what you have to do is you need to add a new person to this account, and then you will set that person as the owner. And once you set that person as the owner, this Niger portal will automatically become the primary owner. And then after 7 days, you can now switch over the primary ownership to the other person which you added on your email. So let me do like this. Let me go ahead with the process. Now, I want to invite someone to come and be a manager on this account. So I'm going to click on invite. And once I click on invite, the next thing I'm going to do is to enter that person's email. So I'm going to enter the email and say email is georgelens5. All right. Email is georgelens5@gmail.com. Okay, so I have finally entered the email. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on done. Okay, I'm going to select access. Now when I click on select access, I want to choose this person to be a manager. So I'm going to click on manager. All right. So once I click on manager, I'm going to say done. So I'm going to click on done here. Now you can see you are responsible for the actions. All right. Invitations will be sent by email and will expire after 30 days. So I'm going to click on done. So that means I have actually invited this person to be a member of this account. All right. So like you can see here, invitations is pending. Now all you have to do is the person has to go into his email and then retrieve that email and accept the invitation. Once you accept the invitation, you now become a manager. Then after 7 days, you are being granted the permission to change the manager to a primary owner. Now, Niger Portal is the owner and primary owner. You can actually set this George Lens to become the primary owner after 7 days. All right. So after 7 days, the person can become a primary owner, and once the person becomes the primary owner, the person can now kick you out of that email. All right. So that is how you can actually do that, and I want you to go ahead and follow the process and see how it actually works. So I'm going to click on my save button. Click on the save button. All you need to do next is to go back and verify if it's you. So you're going to go through some verification purpose channels and see how you can actually do that. So I would actually enter my password here and click next, and then once my login has been verified, I'm now eligible to transfer ownership to the other person. So that is exactly how this can be done, and I want you guys to go ahead and continue doing this. Thanks for watching. Hope to have you in a subsequent videos where I'm going to teach you another trick you can actually do with your YouTube channel. Do well to hit the red subscribe button to this channel. If this video helped you accomplish something, drop your comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this. Hope to see you in a subsequent videos.